Hello, everybody. Welcome to Monday. The S&P 500 was up about 0.2% today. A little surprising that we were up, actually. Matter of fact, we were down for a little while during the day just because, normally when you have such a big run on a week like we did last week, we had 5.8% gain on the S&P 500 in just a week. You end up having some type of a pullback. We still may be due for that here this week. We'll see how that plays out. Uh, the average rate of return for the S&P 500 is around 11% a year. And so when you make, almost half of that in, a week, you're bound to have some slowdown here. We do have, I think, quite a few good things that happened last week that might help us, to build a little base and then jump up to the next level. We'll see how that goes. But we have a couple of Fed governors coming out. Chairman Powell will be at two different sessions speaking. And so that can always be, a hit or miss. Sometimes it's great. Last week, it was the market responded very positively after the question and answer with Chairman Powell, but sometimes it's not, especially when things go upward really well. You tend to get more negative out of the Fed just because they're trying to kind of talk the market down. So the stock market went up and then the bond yields came down. And one of the reasons that they didn't raise rates that they claimed was that, the yields had come up so much just before the meeting that they feel like didn't need to raise rates because the market was already kind of doing it for them. Well, those rates came back down quite a bit, actually. So, we'll see how that plays out this week with those conversations with the Federal Reserve. But overall, things are still pretty good. We would really like to see just a little bit more gain here to get to a new high in this little downturn we've had since July. We're very, very close to that today. And really like to see it get above 4,400. I probably could say that this, correction that we've had so far would be over if that was true, if we can get above that and stay above that. So, we're not that far from that. So we'll see how this plays out as we go. But a pretty exciting time frame for the market so far. Overall this year, could finish well. And again, we're heading into the best 6 months of the year here from, November through April. So hopefully that continues to play out. Anyway, that's what's happening today. Look forward to seeing what's going to be happening tomorrow. Thank you very much.